Today we will discuss very important topic, basis of charging tax. Basis of charging tax. Normally, tax is charged on income. Normally, tax is charged on a person whose income exceeds the basic exemption limit. Normally, tax is charged on a person whose income is more than basic exemption limit. Basic exemption limit is based on the age of the person. So, when the total income of a person is more than the basic exemption limit, then the person need to pay tax to the government. Basic exemption limit is different for different person. The basic exemption limit is depends upon the age of the SSC. What is the age of the SSC? According to the age, the basic exemption limit will change. So, income tax is purely based on the income of the SSC. When income is high, tax calculations or tax need to pay high. When income is low, tax is also low. So, ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା rate of tax. Rate of tax. Rate of tax. किमिति कौन rate of tax? Rate of tax for assessment year 2020-21. Rate of tax for the assessment year 2020 and 21. What is the rate of tax? कितने rate रे tax पड़ेगा? Number 1, individual of age less than 60 years, man and woman, whatever may be. When the individual having the age less than 60 years, then what is the tax rate? When the individual, that may be man or woman, when the age is less than 60 years, that means from 18 year to 16 year, जहाँ भी है वो 50 year है पारे, 58 है पारे, 59 है पारे, 30 है पारे, 28 है पारे, 25 है, whatever may be. Below 60 or less than 60, when the individual is having the age of less than 60 years, then how the tax will be calculated? Up to 2,50,000, up to rupees 2,50,000, no tax will be imposed. Nil, no tax will be imposed. When the age of the person is less than 60 years and income is less than 2,50,000, no need to pay any tax. Up to 2.5 lakh, no need to pay any tax. Then, when the income is 2,50,001 to 5 lakh, 2,50,001 to 5 lakh. Up to 2,50,000, no need to pay any tax. When the income is more than 2,50,000, right? 2,50,001, 2,50,001 to 5 lakh, 5% of the income, 5%. Up to 2 lakh 5%, no need to pay any tax. 2,50,001 to 5 lakh 5%. Up to 2.5 lakh, no need to pay any tax. 2,50,001 rupees to 5 lakh 5%. Then 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh 20%, more than 10 lakh 30%. Individual of age less than 60 years, when the total income, when the total income, when the total income up to 2,50,000, nil, no need to pay any tax. When the income is 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh, tax rate is 5%. When the income is 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, 20%. When the income is more than 10 lakh, then 30%. This is individual of age less than 60 years. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା second, individual of age 60 to 80 years, जोड़ा हमें बोले पिलाने सीनियर सिटीजन. In case of senior citizen whose age is more than 60 years but less than 80 years, when the income, when the total income up to 3 lakh, no need to pay any tax. See, below 60 age up to 2 lakh no need to pay. Above 60 year but below 80 year, when the age in between 60 year to 80 year, then the tax will be nil up to 3 lakh. Then the tax will be nil up to 3 lakh. 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakh, 5% tax. 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, 20% tax. More than 10 lakh, 30% tax. Okay. So what is the difference? The difference is when the individual having the age, man or woman, for same rule, when the age is less than 60 years, up to 2.5 lakh, no tax. 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, 5%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20%. More than 10 lakh, 30%. But when the age is more than 60 but less than 80, then up to 3 lakh, 3 lakh to 5 lakh, 5%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20%. More than 10 lakh, 30%. Then what is the difference? Only 2.5 lakh बदलरे 3 लाख लिये होची, बाकी सब समान. जदी एज हमर रहला बेला 2 लाख माने एज रहला 60 रो कम, देन 2 लाख 50 होची बेसिक एग्जाम्पल लिमिट. अप टू एज 60 बेसिक एग्जाम्पल लिमिट 2 लाख 50, माने जदी हमर एज 60 रो कम अछि 2 लाख 50,000 भीतर इनकम बोले कोन टैक्स पड़बो नाही. That means basic exemption for the people who is less than the age of 60 is 2 lakh 50, and basic exemption limit who is more than 80 but less than more than 60 but less than 83 lakh. जाको 60 वर्ष रो कम है जी तार बेसिक एग्जाम्पल लिमिट 2 लाख 50, यानी 2 लाख 50 रो कम हेले तापर टैक्स पड़बो नाही. जाको 60 वर्ष रो अधिक किंतु 80 वर्ष रो कम है जी तार बेसिक एग्जाम्पल लिमिट 3 लाख, यानी 3 लाख रो अधिक वाले टैक्स पड़बो, 3 लाख रो कम वाले टैक्स पड़बो नाही. तापर या तो हमें सीनियर सिटीजन को से माने जागा के सत्य नछति लिखोछु. तो एबे देखिबा बिट 3. बिट 3 कौन कहला? इंडिविजुअल ऑफ एज मोर देन 80 ईयर, मोर देन 80 ईयर, जदी 80 वर्ष भी बड़ लोक गुडा अछि, when the total income up to 5 lakh, no need to pay any tax. Up to 5 lakh, no need to pay any tax. 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, tax is 20%, more than 10 lakh tax is 30%. So three types of basic exemption limit are there according to the age. When the age is less than 60, 2,50,000 the basic exemption limit, means when the income is up to 2,50,000 no need to pay any tax. When the age is more than 60 but less than 80, which is called senior citizen, for the senior citizen up to 3 lakh nil, that means the basic exemption limit is nil. And 3 lakh to 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, more than 10 lakh 30%. When the age is more than 80 years, when the age is more than 80 years, who is called a super senior citizen. When the age of a person is more than 80 years, then that person is called super senior citizen. And for the super senior citizen who is having the age of more than 80 years, up to 5 lakh nil, that means basic exemption limit for a person who is more than 80 years is 5 lakh. Up to 5 lakh no need to pay any tax. 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, more than 10 lakh 30%. Clear? These are the income tax rate for the assessment year 2020 or 21. 2020-21 assessment year by financial year. ए वर्ष एबे जो हमें चली पिला 2020 और 21 assessment year चलजे for the current year. ए वर्ष में गत वर्ष रूल किछ अलगा थिला, नेक्स्ट ईयर रूल चेंज हो जाय पारे. This is depend upon the Finance Act or the Finance Amendment which is passed by the Finance Minister in both the houses of the Parliament and getting the assent by the President. So ए वर्ष रो Finance Act हिसाब रे बिलाने हमर ए वर्ष टैक्स रेट होची जति 60 रु कम थिबो अप टू 2,50,000 2,50,000 रु 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh टू 10 lakh 20%, more than 10 lakh 30%. जति 60 रु 80 ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ताहले अप टू 3 lakh nil, 3 lakh टू 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh टू 10 lakh 20, more than 10 lakh 30. जति 80 year ओल्ड होइला सुपर सीनियर सिटीजन होइला ताहले 5 lakh पर्यंत किछि टैक्स पड़िबो 5 lakh टू 10 lakh 20%, more than 10 lakh 30%. Clear? This is the tax rate for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. With addition to this tax, there are another type of tax will be imposed, which is called as surcharge. Surcharge. Surcharge is paid whose income is more than 50 lakh. When the income is more than 50 lakh, then surcharge need to be paid. Surcharge is applicable only to those SSC whose income is more than 50 lakh. That means the person who has huge income, more than 50 lakh, they need to pay another tax which is called surcharge. So surcharge when the income is 50 lakh to 1 crore. When the income is 50 lakh, more than 50 lakh, that means 50 lakh to 1 crore, then the surcharge is 10% of the income tax. 10% of the income tax. That means no need to pay. Surcharge is no need to pay upon income. You need to pay upon the income tax. जदि गोटे लोकर इनकम हैला 50 लाख अधिका बट 1 करोड़ कम, इनकम 50 लाख अधिका 1 करोड़ कम, 60 लाख 70 लाख 80 लाख 90 लाख 99 लाख, जदि 50 लाख अधिक इनकम होची 1 करोड़ कम इनकम होची, the income is in between the 50 lakh and 1 crore, then 10% of the total income tax हम जहाँ income tax calculate करते आउ 10% extra government नंबर काइना तू धनी लोकड़ा अधिक इनकम होती ठीक अधिक पैसा गवर्नमेंट होते बुझा पड़ला लॉजिक होती तो धनी लोकड़ा अधिक पैसा इनकम होती गवर्नमेंट होते अधिक पैसा दबो जदी गोटे लोकर इनकम 50 लाख रु अधिक हला 1 करोड़ रु कम हला ताहले सरकार होते 10% of the income tax. 10% of income नहीं इंडिया में कोटले 5% 20% 30% of the income, बट इंडिया में करबा 10% ऑफ इनकम टैक्स. मु या पर तुमको प्रॉब्लम करेबी, प्रॉब्लम कला टाइम रे केमिति 10% कैलकुलेट करे बच्चे बुझियो मन रखो खाली जदी इनकम ता 50 वर्ष गोटे गोटे टका भी अछि ताने हमर 10% इनकम सरचार्ज दो पड़िबो when income is 1 crore 1 crore to 2 crore जदि गोटे कोटी रो 2 कोटी भीतर तमर जदि रहला गोटे कोटी रो अधिक इनकम रो गोटे कोटी रो अधिक इनकम किंतु 2 कोटी रो कम इनकम ताहले 15% of the income tax ताहले 15% of the income tax जदि पिला माने तमर इनकम 1 crore भीतर रहला 50 लाख रो 1 crore ताहले सरचार्ज होसी 10% जदि तमर इनकम 1 crore रो 2 crore भीतर रहला ताहले तमर सरचार्ज होसी 15% of the income tax तापरे जदि तमरा इनकम when your income is in between 2 crore to 5 crore then 25% of the income tax 25% of the income tax that means जदि तमे 2 कोटी रो 5 कोटी भीतर इनकम हो ताले तमरो सरचार्ज होसी 25% of income tax when income is more than 5 crore when income is more than 5 crores then 35% of the income tax that means टिके ध्यान दियो पिला हमें for calculating surcharge age is not required all the age surcharge will be same basic exemption limit is depends upon the age but surcharge is depends upon the income when an SSC having the income of less than 50 lakh no need to pay any surcharge when the SSC's income is more than 50 lakh then the SSC need to pay surcharge and surcharge is 10% when the income is 50 lakh to 1 crore when the income is between 50 lakh to 1 crore then surcharge is 10% of the income tax when the income is 1 crore to 2 crore when the income of the SSC is in between the 1 crore to 2 crore माने 1.5 crore 1.6 crore 1.8 crore 1.9 crore 1 crore अधिक 2 crore कम then 15% of the income tax when the income is 2 crore to 5 crore जदि income ता 2 कोटी रो अधिक 5 कोटी रो कम ताले 25% of the income tax जदि income 5 crore रो भी अधिक हेला when the income of the SSC is more than 5 crore then 30% of the income tax is need to pay as a surcharge बुझा पड़ा clearly surcharge कोन surcharge means it is an extra charge imposed by the government to the public because the SSC is higher income as the SSC is earning higher income he need to contribute to the government for welfare of the society which is called surcharge an extra charge over and above the income tax which is called surcharge and surcharge it depends upon the income not upon the age normally surcharge are paid by the SSC to the government when the income total income of the SSC is more than 50 lakh clear then note koriyo pila mane ago jiba please note it down okay very good then ଏବେ ଦେଖିବେ ପିଲା ଆମେ repeat under section 87A repeat under section 87A repeat रो section होची 87A repeat means what repeat means one type of benefit Rebate means one type benefit given by the government to the SSC. As the SSC is very few income, very lower income, but which is exceeds the basic exemption limit, so government is giving certain rebate or benefit to the SSC that your income is very low, so I am giving some rebate. Okay, rebate means one type of benefit given by the government to the SSC. Applicability. Rebate is applicable only to number one point resident individual. रेसिडेंट माने कौन पिला तुमने शुणिथिबो रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट करियार अछि रे रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट टिए दरकार रेसिडेंट मींस whether the person is staying or resides in India or not by basic upon the number of days a person stayed in India residential status are calculated. We will study in the later on in the next topic we will study the residential status. So residential status is highly necessary. The individual it is applicable to only individual माने केवल मनुष्य मानक लागू और resident individual it is applicable to only resident individual. Individual means मनुष्य हम माने सब individual गुडा को म आगु एक्सप्लेन करियो व्हाट डू मीन बाय individual और resident कोन individual resident को applicable. And second point होची whose total income is less than 5 lakh. दीटा पॉइंट सैटिस्फाई हेले जाय कि रिबेट एप्लीकेबल हो रिबेट का को मिलबो रिबेट इज अ बेनिफिट रिबेट इज अ बेनिफिट गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू द एसएससी बट फॉर गेटिंग द बेनिफिट ऑफ रिबेट two conditions need to be satisfied condition number 1 the persons need to be resident individual the person need to be resident individual non resident हेतिले ताकू ए बेनिफिट मिलिबो नाही पॉइंट नंबर 1 रेसिडेंट होबार अछि रेसिडेंट कोन आगु देखियो पॉइंट नंबर 2 whose total income is less than 5 lakh से लोकर टोटल इनकम 5 लाख रु कम हेति बारछि गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग बेनिफिट बिकॉज़ योर टोटल इनकम इज वेरी लेस नो डाउट इट इज मोर देन योर बेसिक इनकम लिमिट बट द इनकम इज नॉट दैट मच हाई so government is giving a benefit it is called rebate is under section 87A rebate means one type of benefit given by the central government to the SSC because of very few income the two important conditions need to be fulfilled to get the rebate number 1 it is applicable to only resident individual number second point whose total income should be less than the 5 lakh total income should be 5 lakh ru अधिक होगला ताहले हमको rebate मिलबो नाही clear amount of rebate कितना rebate मिलेगा 100% of tax or point number 1 100% of tax or rupees 12,500 which is lower कितने टका rebate मिलेगा मैक्सिमम 12,500 और 100% of tax मने करो लोकर टैक्स कैलकुलेशन करले लोकर टैक्स कैलकुलेशन करलो लोकर टैक्स असले 8000 तो हमको केते बेनिफिट रिबेट मिलिबो 8000 और 12500 व्हिच एवर इज लोअर मने करो हमर टैक्स कैलकुलेशन 5000 और 12500 व्हिच एवर इज लोअर दैट मींस मैक्सिमम रिबेट इज 12500 नॉट मोर देन दैट सो रिबेट हम केते पाइबा टोटल हमर जहां टैक्स अछि ताहा और 12000 जोड़ा कम पड़ला 12500 रु अधिका रिबेट हमको मिल पारिबो नाही तो मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू द पब्लिक एज रिबेट इज 12500 मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट केते पाइ करे ओडा एसएससी 12500 नॉट मोर देन दैट मींस टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ रिबेट इज 100% ऑफ टैक्स और 12500 व्हिच एवर एबे हम कोन देखले पिला माने आमे देखले बेसिस ऑफ टैक्स का ऊपर पड़ची टैक्स इज नॉर्मली imposed on the income when the income of an SSC is exceeds the basic exemption limit then the SSC need to pay tax to the government and basic exemption limit is depends upon the age of the person according to the age the basic exemption limit are different when the age is less than 60 years, then the basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. When the age is 60 year, more than 60 year and less than 80 year, then the basic exemption limit is 3 lakh. When the age is more than 80 year, then the basic exemption limit is 5 lakh. Then हमें देखिए surcharge. Surcharge is extra charge imposed by the government to the SSC for higher income. When the income exceeds 50 lakh, surcharge will be imposed. And different income, different surcharges are there. We already discussed. After that, we had studied about the rebate. Rebate means one type of benefit given by the central government to the SSC. Rebate is applicable to resident individual and the total income should less than be 5 lakh. And maximum amount of rebate is 100% tax or 12,500, whichever is lower. Clear? These are the tax rate applicable to different individual. यहाँ पर हमें देखिए how tax are calculated. How tax should be calculated. One example we will solve today. One example. Mr. X is an Indian resident whose income Mr. X is an Indian resident whose income is rupees 4 lakh. Mr. X is an Indian resident whose income is rupees 4 lakh in the previous year. In the previous year, in the previous year 2019-20, calculate the amount of tax, to be paid by Mr. X. Mr. X बोली गोटे लोक थे जार की टोटल इनकम 4 लाख थिला ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर 2019-20 रे मिस्टर एक्स रो इनकम के थिला 4 लाख आउ से इंडियन रेसिडेंट भी थिला से लोकड़ा इंडियन रेसिडेंट भी थिला तो तार टोटल केते टैक्स पड़ो देखिबा आंसर Mr. X is an Indian out the age of Mr. X is 32 years. The age of Mr. X is 32 years. Therefore, how we will calculate? We know the basic exemption limit for an individual whose age is less than 60 years. So basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 up to 2,50,000 up to 2,50,000 tax कितने मिला हमने up to 2,50,000 tax is nil. So tax is nahi. Then 2,50,000 1 2 पिला हमने second वाला 2,50,001 to 5 lakh 5%. बट अगर 5 लाख इनकम अछि नै 4 लाख ही अछि त हमर एटा 4 लाख कर दियो काई 4 लाख करली बिकॉज़ जदी 5 लाख रो अधिक इनकम हेता ताले 5 लाख हम अप टू 2.5 लाख नै सेकंड लाख 2,05,001 2,50,001 टू मोर अप टू 5 लाख 5 लाख क्रॉस करिनी माने से ए भीतर रहला 5 लाख भीतर रहला माने 2,50,001 टू 4 लाख केते 88.5% ता माने केते बाहरला 2,50,000 रो 4 लाख माने केते मिला हमने 4 लाख माइनस 2,50,000 माने केते रहला 1,50,000 into 5% केते आसी 7,500 okay. So टोटल टैक्स कितना आसिला पिला माने टोटल टैक्स आसिला 7500 टोटल टैक्स आसिला 7500 क्लियर ठीक है ध्यान दो पिला माने मिस्टर एक्स इज एन इंडियन रेसिडेंट हुज इनकम इज rupees 4 lakh in the previous year 2019-20 the 1920 रे तार इनकम पिला 4 लाख तार एज पिला 32 ईयर हमको तार टैक्स कैलकुलेट करियो अछि आपको 2.5 लाख कोन टैक्स पड़लानी 2.5 लाख रु 4 लाख माने 1.5 लाख बेटा हला 1.5 लाख के माने 5% 7500 मु तुम गोटे दिस कहयो बोली अछि पिला माने सब बळे टैक्स आसला सेतरे तमे ऐड करिवो सेस सेस means one type of extra charge imposed by the government to every SSC. Cess is an extra charge imposed by the government to every SSC which is 4% of tax 4% of cess. Cess means what? मु एबे टिके तमो cess explain करूची ध्यान दबो ए प्रॉब्लम कला पूर्व cess लिखि दबो ए प्रॉब्लम कला पूर्व cess माने हमरो आगुर थिला पिला माने एजुकेशन cess education cess 3% plus health cess 1% total cess 4%. What do we mean by cess? Cess is an extra charge imposed by the government to the public whose total income is more than basic exemption limit. Cess is applicable to all the SSC who are liable to pay tax whatever may be the income. जदी गोटे SSC टैक्स दबो पड़छि तापरे सेस पड़िबो ही पड़िबो एजुकेशन सेस माने कोन एजुकेशन सेस माने सेही 3% केवल एजुकेशन पई खर्च हो लोअर एजुकेशन तो हायर एजुकेशन केवल एजुकेशन पई खर्च हो 3% हेल्थ सेस केवल हेल्थ पई खर्च हो 1% टोटल 4% सेस is applicable to every SSC whose income is more than basic exemption limit जेटा बोले सेस ता माने सेस is 4% of tax ता माने 7500 और 4% केता अछि बिला माने 7500 into 4% that means 300 clear देखो Mr. X is an individual Indian resident Mr. X is an Indian resident whose income is 4 lakh in the previous year 1920 गत वर्ष Mr. X रो इनकम 4 लाख थिला जे के रेसिडेंट थिला आ तार एज होची 32 आमे तार टैक्स कैलकुलेट करियर अछि तो आमे जानछे जदी एज हमर 32 अछि 60 रु कम होला ताले हमर बेसिक इनकम लिमिट 250 अप टू 250 कोनोसी टैक्स पडिबो नाही 250 रु अधिक होले 250 रु 5 लाख 5% बट मैक्सिमम हमर केतो अछि 4 लाख इनकम अछि तो 250 रु 4 लाख 1.5 लाख 1.5 लाख रो 5% 7500 टैक्स पडला तापर सेस 4% सबु धीरे सेस पडिबो टोटल हमर केते ला टोटल टैक्स पेबल केता सिला 7800 7800 टोटल टैक्स पेबल बट rebate is applicable to Mr. X. Why rebate is applicable? Because two conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1, Mr. X is an Indian resident. Condition number 2, total income is less than 5 lakh. Condition number 1, Mr. X is an Indian resident. Condition number 2, whose income is less than 5 lakh. So rebate is applicable. So our total tax payable asila mu lekhibi minus rebate under section 278A rebate under section rebate under section 87A rebate under section 87A rebate केते मिलिबो ना rebate मिलुची rupees 12500 or 100% of tax whichever is lower तो पिला में हमर केते rebate under section 87 है 12500 और 100% of tax 100% of tax माने टोटल टैक्स केते 7800 हमर डिडक्शन केते आसीबो 7800 आसीबो हमर डिडक्शन तो टैक्स पेबल पेबल नील कौन से टैक्स देबा पड़िबनी आउ थोड़े भलसे बुझो क्वेश्चन कोन हला ना पिला माने मिस्टर एक्स जने थिला जे कि इंडियन रेसिडेंट आउ तार इनकम थिला 4 लाख जर एज थिला 32 इयर्स आमे तार टैक्स कैलकुलेशन करबा आपको 2.5 लाख टैक्स किसी पड़िबो नाही 2.5 लाख टू 4 लाख 5% 2.5 लाख टू 4 लाख केते होछि ना लक्षे 50 लक्षे 50 का 5% का 7500 तो टोटल टैक्स आसला 7500 तापर एड सेस 4% समस्त ऊपर सेस 4% पड़िबो एजुकेशन सेस 3% हेल्थ सेस 1% तो सेस केते आसला 4% का ऊपर पड़िबो टैक्स ऊपर टैक्स केते 7500 5% 7500 रो 7500 रो 5% 7500 5% केते आसला 300 तो टोटल टैक्स पेपर आसला 7100 हमको रिबेट मिलिबो काहे रिबेट मिलिबो बिकॉज़ दीटा कंडीशन फुटलो होची से इंडियन रेसिडेंट और इनकम 5 लाख रु कम होची सेटा ताको रिबेट मिलिबो रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87A रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87A तो रिबेट केते मिलिबो रुपीस 12500 और 100% ऑफ टैक्स विच इज लॉयल तो 100% टैक्स माने टोटल टैक्स केते 7800 और 12500 विच इज लॉयल लॉयल पुरा 7800 तो हमने 7800 टैक्स दबाको पड़ुना रिबेट 7800 मिले हमको कौन से टैक्स दबाको पड़िबो नाही लेखि दियो पिला माने नेक्स्ट इमिति करा होबे केते गुडे प्रॉब्लम करिया नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हला थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग कांसेप्ट पहले देखियो वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्लास है एटा ए प्रॉब्लम में भी कर दो हला थैंक यू वेरी मच।